Hello to everyone, you are watching KJ Decor and Lifestyle. Today I will tell you about the latest Rustic Christmas verse decor. And what is Rustic Christmas decor? Christmas trees wrapped in plaid fabric, sweet signs made from vintage bonewood and gathered pine cones, winter greens and branches. Even your ornaments will carry rustic flair, and don't forget woodland animal essentials. And what does the word symbolize at Christmas? Together, the circular shape and the evergreen material make the wood a representation of eternal life. It is also a representation of faith, as Christmas in Europe often places a candle on the wood during Advent to symbolize the light that Jesus brought into the world. And what kind of woods are used for Christmas? Fir branches are a popular choice, as are spruce and pine, but boxwood and even magnolia leaf clusters produce pretty results. Here are some other things to consider. Fresh out varieties are designed for one season use and should be thrown out after the holidays. And what is the symbolism of worth? Advent and Christmas words are constructed of evergreens to represent everlasting life brought through juices, and the circular shape of the words represent God with no beginning and no end. And what is rustic design style? Rustic design is a style that's natural, organic, and maybe even a little distressed. Design styles like farmhouse or coastal can also be described as rustic. Rustic is the opposite of modern or contemporary design. Rustic decor also feels completely unpretentious or stuffy. And what are words made of? Were circular garlands usually woven of flowers, leaves, and foliage that traditionally indicates honor or celebration. And what is traditional Christmas was made of? Watch this video North Guide with KG Decor and Lifestyle to find out how to make a traditional Christmas bush to hang in your home. To make it, you can use evergreen plants from the garden like holly, English ivy, and conifer sprigs. You could even use small branches from the Christmas trees.